to come on and do a review on the hair that I use for my spring twist, and I got it from Beyond Beauty. I know this is a popular brand that has been used a lot on some of the videos that I've seen on YouTube. The color that's in my head is a 1B27 and some of 1B33, and it's just a mixture of things. But most of it is a 1B27. Here is what the hair looks like out of the pack. It's just a regular, you know, hair with the spring bounce to it. This hair here that I have in my hand is a 1B30. So it has like the brown look on the ends. I really like this hair. My hair has been up like this for 2 months. It's been 2 months, and I've enjoyed not having to worry about untangling my hair, just deal with it outside of, you know, just being able to get up and go. So I've really enjoyed having this hair in my head. If you are in the market for some spring twists, I suggest you go with Beyond Beauty. Like I said, this has been up for 2 months, going on 3 months. I have started taking it down a little bit in the back. So my hair has grown out a lot. So as far as like the takedown process, I was not able to just kind of cut the hair and unravel. I had to literally unravel the hair from the bottom up. And the hair length, I think it says, like 18 inch. So without pulling on it, it stops about here. But when you pull on it, it comes down a little lower, as you can see. So, you know, if you want a shorter look, I would suggest you cut it in half. This was not cut in half. It was literally just put in, just pulling the hair out and twisting. That's how this was applied. So if you want it shorter than this, you want a shorter look, you're gonna have to cut this in half. And then, like I said, it stretches out. Okay. I'm going to do another crochet hairstyle, and I will be here to post the crochet style. This was crocheted in the middle and just individuals along the perimeter. So I just wanted to share with you the information about this company. It's a company that is on Amazon, so you cannot find this hair in the store. I have not seen anything similar to it in the store either. So I have not found anything that you can substitute for this hair. And when I find something in the local beauty supply store, I will post that too. Because sometimes, you know, if you want a hairstyle, you want it now, and you don't have time to wait for it to be shipped and delivered. Okay. So, but like I said, I have not been able to find this particular hair in the hair store. So check out Beyond Beauty. I will put their information at the bottom. The hair was $23.50, and with the $23.50 you receive 3 bundles, and with the three different bundles, you should be able to complete this hairstyle. You should be able to complete the whole hairstyle with the 3 bundles. If you wanted an extended length, I would suggest buying another 3 bundles, because you may need more hair, because to extend it, you're basically just doing 2 strands of the hair if you want it long. So, but if you just want a regular length, 3 bundles should be fine. So the $23.50 would take care of this entire hairstyle for you. the shipment, I received the hair really quickly. I think I bought the hair on like a Monday and I received it on Thursday. So I felt like that was a quick turnaround. I thought it was going to take some time before I received the hair, but I received the hair in enough time to pre-twist some of the hair before installing. So Beyond Beauty, they're a really good company. They'll do you right and they'll get your hair to you in no time. But this is the little label that came with it. And on the back it gives you recommendations as far as washing the hair, conditioning it, just taking care of the hair. So if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments. Okay, guys.